Hello everybody, welcome to E-Prime for this evening. I am Daydran. Sizzla receives the Living Icon Award. Over the weekend, the reggae star was presented with this special award following his electrifying performance as a closer for the inaugural Lovers and Friends concert held in St. Anne. Sizzla, in his acceptance speech, took the opportunity to make light of his recent DJ Khaled plaque incident.
You want to see the plaque? Anytime they give me plaques and awards, they're somewhat thinking I'm going to burn it. Oh, it's a fire!
Sizzla, for many, was easily the night's favorite as he commanded the stage and seamlessly delivered his catalog of hits.
That your mama, father. All those men and suffering. No one knows this song about, just only you.
Other local acts also stood their ground as Ghost rivaled for the top spot. His set was elevated with a surprise feature from his Monster Shack crewmate, General B. Now, Ghost, who is known for his covers of some of the greatest international hits, pointed E-Prime to his own original songs.
I'm still doing my best when it comes to music. I have an album coming out soon. I have some new single out recently, so and most of my stuff are original. So I really want to know if it give me a listening ears, you know.
Lovers and Friends also saw great performances from Christopher Martin and international acts Rotimi, Bobby Valentino, and Maya.
Where would I be? Light it! Where would I be? Light it up! Where would I be? Mama, now listen to me now. Mama, love you. There's a meaning in my name. My man,
yeah, superstar. That's what you are.
baby, come over. Baby, come over.
Now, Maya spoke to E-Prime on her connection to Jamaica and some of the work she has been doing here.
It's always blessed. You know, I've visited the Haile Selassie School as well, and you know, I know that there have been comments online. We see the glitz and the glam, but Jamaica, you know, there's a lot of struggle and humility here as well. So to acknowledge that as well, and know that you can make a difference, whether it's through your art or spending time as well and talking to the kids. It's like that in every country, in every city, but it's always blessed when I come here, and I feel that spirit.
E-Prime also caught up with Beenie Man, who was in the crowd. He spoke in retrospect of his 2000 crossover hit Girls Them Sugar, which featured the US Songbird.
She just come in the studio and the man said, "This is the singer, that's his Neptunes." And I say, "Okay, we're gonna do this," and him say, "All right, yeah, this we're gonna do." And that was murder. That beautiful thing, man. Love it.
Girls Them Sugar was a mega chart-topping hit, propelling Beenie Man to King of Dancehall status. The track was produced by the Neptunes and written by Beenie Man and Pharrell Williams and hit charts all over the world. Beenie Man went on to win a Grammy that year. Girls Them Sugar is ranked as one of Billboard's 100 greatest songs of 2000. The remake was taken from his 90s original track, Who Am I? Sim Simma. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daydran. Thank you for watching.